So this one is the ball pit. We also have a game room. Here's the punching bag. Yes.
Wow, seems like you can have a lot of fun in here. Welcome to Anything Goes with Dale. I'm your host, Jenny. Today, I'm taking you to the office tour with me in Taipei. This is the most interesting office in Taiwan so far. Unfortunately, this is not my office, but I'm still taking you together to check it out. Hey, John!
Hi, welcome.
Thank you so
Welcome
much.
to PicCollage.
John Fan is the CEO and co-founder of PicCollage, a collage app that has been downloaded over 260 million times worldwide.
This is PicCollage, and I can give you a quick office tour if you like.
Thank you.
This is our team board over here. Whenever a new member joins, we ask them to create a collage with our app, PicCollage. They put a little bit about themselves. We have members in all different functions from a bunch of different countries. This is our Pick Cafe area, so we have some snacks here, drinks. This is actually our whole cafe here. We actually have an outdoor patio. It's a great view. Even when it rains like today, people are able to sit outside and have some conversation
Very
there.
thoughtful.
We value learning a lot. Over here is our library, lots of books. We'll go into the work area, so we have a little bit
Be quiet
here. All of this area is working on our main app, PicCollage.
Tell me about PicCollage. What exactly does this company do?
We build design products for people who want to be creative. Our main app is PicCollage. That is a very popular app with close to 300 million downloads, and we've been able to invest in new products where we're using AI and applying them for people to make their lives, make their photos and videos more interesting.
Hey, John, is this a fitting room?
Sorry. These are our phone booths. We have members at home sometimes, so you want to have a call with them, sort of preserving quiet for people who are working in the office.
Making progress. There are so many different conference rooms, and which one is your favorite?
The style of this office is a little bit like Old Town Taipei, so that's sort of what we were going for. So you here have an old style barber shop, you have an art studio over here.
Who can really work here? Tell me. Who can work here?
Come on.
Who can work here?
More fun room. So this one is the ball pit. So
I can enter? Oh my I am not cleaning this up.
Come in.
This is fun.
Yeah.
My God.
So we don't want our meetings to be too serious, because sometimes when people think, oh, this is a meeting, then they get into a mode where it's like, oh, should I say this? Should I not? But, when people are, hanging out here in the ball pit, at least, their thoughts might be different than usual, and they might be more open to sharing a little bit of what they're thinking. We also have a game room and a karaoke room.
Wow, seems like you can have a lot of fun in here.
Cats in the office. We also have our own poker table with very, very nice poker chips.
I know.
Very high quality. Here's the punching bag. Yes.
My work stress. I can feel the strong sense that this place is all about design, fun, creativity. What's the design concept?
So we want to find builders, creators, people who imagine things, people who want to make something happen, right? Designers and developers. In terms of the offices, it's a space for them to come and play. They can get a lot of stuff done at home, and so we have no issue with that. We're completely flexible hybrids. But when they do come in, we hope that they have a meaningful experience, because there's a cafe, they can come sing in the karaoke room, just interact naturally with people.
You got your higher degree in the United States. You could have started this company in the US, and why do you start this company here in Taiwan?
All of the co-founders had a personal connection to Taiwan. And we said, hey, this is a chance, we're working on this new company. We can spend time in Taiwan. And so I was spending half my time in Taipei, half my time in the Bay Area.
So what's the advantage of having a company here in Taiwan?
Everyone knows Taiwan is good at hardware, especially now AI chipsets. There's a lot happening in those areas. But coming to Taiwan and then realizing there's a lot of hidden creativity, maybe it's not as well known. Did you know the Cat Cafe originated in Taiwan, and then in Japan, and then now to the rest of the world? Actually, a lot of innovation that happens here in Taiwan, we found that was actually suitable for us. It's been going well so far. We've been able to find enough creative talent from Taiwan and very strong engineering.
If you're going to describe your company in 3 words, what would those be?
Fun, creative, and international. Third of our team with international backgrounds. So some from Europe, some from US, Canada, UK, some from Southeast Asia. So we have this nice mix of
Mixed
team members.
international crew. Well, can I join the crew?
Please.
Anyway, I can't wait to try your creative AI apps. There's so many pictures, and I picked this one because I think it looked like me the most. So if you enjoy our show, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more fun things, fun people, and fun experiences here in Taiwan. Okay, see you next time.
Hi, Jenny.
What, John?
Welcome to the team.
Yeah, I'm part of a team. So am I hired?
Yes.
Great. So see you tomorrow at work then.
All right. See you.